Prestige Intelligence: How we provide the perfect bridge between middle market enterprises and data center providers. At Prestige Intelligence, we're dedicated to transforming AI for both middle market ventures and data center providers by providing trusted and reliable AI services. On one side, middle market enterprises are moving past the experimentation phase and need high-performance AI execution. On the other side, traditional data center providers are eager to attract premium GPU tenants to occupy vacant square footage, but they are restricted by legacy power and cooling limitations. This article will explore how Prestige Intelligence's hybrid colocation model reduces the risks of AI deployment for enterprises and data center operators alike. The needs of enterprises and data centers. The middle market AI boom has begun hitting a series of infrastructure bottlenecks. What both sides have in common is the main problem of cost of investment. The race to deploy AI factories and GPU clusters for enterprises comes at significant costs for middle market enterprises. Building a private AI-ready data center requires millions in upfront capital and years of development. Buying into previously existing colocation data center space means facing lengthy wait times for availability, since most vendor space is already occupied before the buildings are even built. Likewise, data center providers are rushing to future-proof their facilities for high-power AI growth. As demands for data centers surges, success hinges on the ability to deliver megawatts, not just square footage. However, upgrading an entire data center to support higher power output requires equally as efficient cooling. Liquid or chilled cooling involves high capital risk and complex engineering overhead. Without a clear pipeline of AI tenants, operators risk leaving valuable space unutilized while legacy enterprise workloads steadily migrate elsewhere. Prestige Intelligence's solutions. Prestige Intelligence operates as the infrastructure bridge between enterprises and providers, pairing scalable mid-market economic demands with optimized data center space. By deploying purpose-built AI factory infrastructure into strategically selected Tier 1 through 3 facilities, Prestige creates an efficient ecosystem where both sides benefit equally. For AI enterprise clients, Prestige Intelligence delivers instant, scalable capacity from 1 to 40 megawatts, giving your team immediate access to AI-optimized power, connectivity, and cutting-edge cooling systems. Rapid time to deploy. Prestige Intelligence's deployment strategy eliminates months or years of design and construction for clients, allowing enterprises to get their GPU clusters running right out of the gate. 30% to 50% faster ROI. By avoiding inflated public cloud pricing and impossible DIY builds, we ensure that middle-market enterprises can protect their margins from needless risks. VIP Managed Services. With 24/7 support covering security, network engineering, and environmental controls, teams can stay focused entirely on their AI software, not just infrastructure headaches. For data center operators, Prestige Intelligence acts as the ultimate anchor tenant, transforming vacant floor space into a high-value AI compute hub. Instant AI infrastructure. Operators instantly gain access to locations boasting N+1 redundancy and concurrently maintainable Tier 3 uptime guarantees. Shared overhead efficiency. By sharing utilities, backup generators, cooling architectures, and localized management overhead, providers can protect their bottom-line margins more securely. Built-in pipeline. Prestige brings an active client pipeline directly to the provider's facility, backed by over $50 million already contracted and a $250 million pipeline. Our hybrid colocation model also considers leaving behind a sustainable energy impact rather than just focusing on commercial achievement. Prestige Intelligence designs, operates, and optimizes full-stack compute clusters by repurposing existing energy infrastructure, allowing development without significant energy drain from surrounding communities. This commitment to sustainability ensures high-power growth does not come at an unacceptable environmental cost. Conclusion. Even with persistent constraints around location, permitting, supply chains, and power, 2026 is set to be a growth year for colocation. Growth will be driven predominantly by AI demand from middle-market enterprises, but it will be gated by data center providers and operators' ability to secure and deliver megawatts at scale, accelerate high-density designs, and diversify energy procurement strategies across power-advantaged regions. From early-stage pilot GPU clusters up to comprehensive large-scale training AI factories, Prestige Intelligence ensures both enterprises and providers no longer have to compromise on performance or price. Combining middle-market economics with robust, high-density environments, Prestige Intelligence is poised to deliver success to both sides of the AI middle market.